Welcome to the world of Linux Mint. Linux Mint is a free and open source operating system. It is based on Ubuntu, another popular Linux distribution. Linux Mint is known for its user-friendliness and ease of use. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Linux Mint offers a stable and reliable computing experience. It comes with a variety of software applications to meet your daily needs. Whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, or enjoying multimedia content, Linux Mint has you covered. Linux Mint is completely free to download and use. It's a great way to experience the power and flexibility of Linux without any cost. There are different versions of Linux Mint available, each with its own desktop environment. Linux Mint is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those new to Linux. The desktop layout is familiar with a taskbar, application menu, and system tray. Launching applications, managing files, and customizing the system settings is straightforward. Linux Mint offers a traditional desktop experience. It resembles operating systems like Windows, making it easy for users to transition. You can arrange icons on the desktop, create shortcuts, and customize the look and feel to your liking. Linux Mint also provides excellent hardware compatibility. It automatically detects and configures your devices, such as printers, scanners, and webcams. This plug-and-play functionality ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience. Linux Mint comes bundled with a comprehensive suite of software applications. This eliminates the need for you to search, download, and install essential programs individually. You have everything you need to get started right away. For web browsing, Linux Mint includes Firefox, a popular and secure web browser. It allows you to surf the internet, access websites, and enjoy online content. For productivity, Linux Mint provides LibreOffice, a powerful office suite that is compatible with Microsoft Office files. If you need to edit images or create graphics, Linux Mint has you covered with GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source image editor that offers a wide range of features comparable to commercial software. In addition to these essential applications, Linux Mint also includes a media player, email client, and various utilities to enhance your computing experience. Section 4. Make it your own. One of the key strengths of Linux Mint is its customizability. You have the freedom to personalize your desktop environment to suit your preferences and workflow. Linux Mint allows you to change the desktop theme, including the background image, colors, and icons. You can choose from a wide variety of pre-installed themes or download and install new ones from online repositories. Furthermore, you can customize the system fonts, window borders, and other visual elements to create a unique and personalized look. Beyond aesthetics, Linux Mint enables you to tailor the system settings to your liking. You can configure the display resolution, keyboard shortcuts, and power management options according to your needs. Section 5. Speed and performance. Linux Mint takes the lead. Linux Mint is known for its speed and efficiency. It is a lightweight operating system that runs smoothly even on older hardware. If you have a computer with limited resources, Linux Mint is an excellent choice to revive its performance. Compared to other operating systems, such as Windows, Linux Mint is less demanding on system resources. This means that it can run faster and more efficiently, even on computers with less RAM and processing power. Linux Mint's lightweight nature also contributes to its faster boot times and application loading speeds. You'll spend less time waiting for your computer to start up or for programs to launch, allowing you to be more productive. Linux Mint's efficient use of system resources ensures that your computer runs smoothly, even when multiple applications are open simultaneously. You can multitask effectively without experiencing significant slowdowns or lag.